Good afternoon, everyone. So, how is your bank holiday weekend going? It is reasonably nice here in Leicester, so thumbs up for the weather. Hope that you are all having a nice time chilling out. I know we're all still kind of locked down a little bit, but hope that you have managed to do something fun with your bank holiday weekend. So as many of you will know that have been jumping on over the last few days, Instagram have been throwing out updates left, right, and centre over the last couple of weeks. And so rather than bombarding you all with them on a Tuesday night trying to, ram everything in, I have been sharing a tip every single day in a short video so that you guys are all brought up to date. So today I wanted to touch on why it's so important to be clear and transparent when using Instagram if you are using collaborations and you're working with other brands and partners, okay? Because there's lots of people out there that will, share things for other people for free. There'll be people out there that get paid to share things, and both are fine. But what's really, really important is that you are being clear and transparent about it. And last year, or like earlier on this year, there was a huge hoo-ha because there were some really, really big names that were promoting things on social media and were not making it clear that what they were, sharing with social media, they were sharing because they had been paid to do so. And over the last couple of weeks, Instagram have been really clamping down on this. And the reason that I know is because every single time I've shared out an Instagram story that was for the mental health week. So every single day this week, we've been doing a mental health mini series podcast. And we've had guests such as Robin Windsor and Emma Kennett and Monty Pansar. And every time I've shared and tagged them in it, Instagram have actually messaged me and said, is this brand collaboration? Do you need to tag a brand partnership? Because they can clearly see that I have tagged somebody else within that Instagram story. So for me, that shows Instagram are already tightening up on all of the things to do with partnerships and visibility and transparency. And there's like serious guidelines out there. People, you can really get in trouble for not being open and honest about what it is that you're doing on social media. So you can do like some really simple things, like if you're sharing out an Instagram story. So I'm going to look at it from two different perspectives right now. So if I'm a brand and I don't know, for example, I make earphones. So I am going to gift these earphones to someone else who is going to promote them on their social media. They're going to show people how amazing they are. So it's really important for the person that is taking the earphones, when they share the pictures, to tell people that they have been gifted this product, okay? Even if they didn't get paid, they need to let people know that there is some collaboration going on. And it's really important because I would want to know when I'm seeing things. Like, for example, if we've been working in collaboration with someone, we will always say that. If I've bought something from somebody, then I have no reason to say, it's a collaboration or a partnership. If something's been gifted, that's a little different. If you're being paid, that is most definitely very different, okay? So it's really, really important that you are telling people what it is that you're doing with your pictures and your posts. If you're working with someone, you need to make it very clear that you're doing that. Now, don't get all scared by the fact that the powers that be are going to come and fine you. Yes, that can happen, but really for like the smaller end businesses, it's more about ethics and what's morally right and wrong, and the fact that you should be telling people when you're being paid or it's a collaboration. So if you are sharing out your main feed post and you're sharing a picture that's in collaboration with someone else, before you go to post the picture, in advanced settings, it will ask you who that collaboration or partnership is with. You can add them in there. And the same thing applies when you share your Instagram stories, okay? There is somewhere where you can add in that this is branded content, or this is a collaboration or a partnership. So it's literally a tap of a button, okay? It's nothing hard. It's nothing that's going to take you a long time. It's all about being open and honest, and it's going to take you seconds, okay? So that's just one of the things that Instagram have been clamping down on. It's not so much of an update, but they have been clamping down on it. And so that was why I thought that it would be important to talk to you all about it in one of my lives at some point this week. So I have promised to try and go live every single day and share something new with you all. So if you're not following me, make sure that you are over on Instagram at Estelle Keever Official. You guys over here, hello to everyone that's jumped on Instagram. You guys over here are watching me on Facebook or possibly even the YouTube channel. Let me know if you're watching this live. Say hello to me right now and let me know where in the world you're watching me from. If you're watching this on the replay, then hashtag replay and let me know you're watching this on replay. But that is about it from me for today. Just wanted to jump on quick because my dinner is cooking in the background. Smells delicious, do not want it to burn. But before I go, don't forget we are on countdown now. We have 8 days. Tomorrow is a week until we open the Instagram Back to Basics training. So this covers everything from setting up your account, content, why you should set out your bio, how to attract clients, hashtags, Instagram stories. We talk about everything. All of the updates that have been happening over the past couple of weeks, we will be talking through them in the training as well. So that is the next training that's coming out. It starts on the 1st of June. You can sign up now. It's £12. It will be going into a private Facebook group. So you join the private Facebook community, and every single day there's a video that goes in there talking to you about something specific. You will have a task to do, so they're really easy, implementable. You go off, do the task, and then the next day there's another video, and you have access to all of that for about 4 weeks after the Instagram training finishes. So you know, if like things get in the way and you don't get a chance to watch every single video every single day, you can go back and catch up at any point at all in the space of like the next 4 weeks. So I will drop the link to that into the comments on Facebook, and you guys over here on Instagram, there is a link in my bio. 7 days tomorrow, it's a week tomorrow until we start. Would love to see lots of you there. And if you've already done it, so there was a lot of questions about, I've already done it, will I learn something new? Yes, you will. The last time that we put this training out was 4 months ago. There's been so many updates since then, and there's added content to the course to tailor for all of the updates that have been happening. So even if you've done the Back to Basics before, this is the 3rd time I think we're running this training. So if you have done the Instagram Back to Basics training, let us know in the comments. Tell me, what did you think? But if you've done it, it's a perfect way to refresh. If you haven't done it, then it's the perfect way to get to grips with Instagram. So that is it from me. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I am going to go check on my dinner because my tummy is like rumbling. Just, you know, when you can smell your dinner and it's like, oh, so hungry. So I am going to go sort my dinner out. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, whatever you may be doing. Don't forget to come back tomorrow when I'm going to be sharing more Instagram tips and tricks with you all.